Okay, so here is a scallop dissection. So actually, if I were to close this, you'd see that this would have been a hinged organism. And the way to orientate it is to see that you have a slightly convex area to one side of the umbro and a concave area to the other side. And the slightly more concave area is the anterior side, and the convex is the posterior side. So this would be the dorsal point just here. So flipping this open now, we can see that what I had to do was snap this ligament just here, and I had to cut this adductor muscle. And what I ended up with was a view inside, and I've removed the mantle from the top, and I've removed actually the gill from the top. So let's look at what we have present here. So let's peel that mantle away, which would have been for the top side. Okay, well, this here is our mantle around here, and on this are tiny little black dots, which are actually eyes. So you can see these alternating all the way along, so eyes all the way around the mantle. And together with the other mantle folding over the top, it forms a mantle cavity. So water coming into the organism is then going to pass across these ctenidia. So ctenidia, I'm just going to see if I can lift one up from inside this fluid. Let's pour that fluid away. That's going to make life easier. There we go. So if I lift up the ctenidia, that's this structure here. Okay, so there'll be another one over the top like this. And that's where food capture occurs, and food is passed around to the labial palps, which are this structure just here, and into the mouth. Okay, there we are. So what we then have happen is that food is passed in, the digestive gland is going to break that down, and then we're going to see food coming out of the rectum, which is the structure just here. Okay, what else do we see? Well, this is the adductor muscle, which I had to cut in order to open this. So I sliced across this on the opposite side of the shell. Let's think about some other structures. We have a kidney just here. That's going to be processing all of our blood. We have here the foot. And actually, typically, you'd also have the roe located here. I think this one's a male because it has a white region just here. That's our hypothesis for this individual. Okay, lastly, let's flip over to the top side, and then we're going to look at this pericardial cavity just up here, which I've actually sliced and cut open to expose the ventricle and auricle, which are located here. I can see a clear ventricle. The auricle is much harder to see. It's normally located underneath, and it's a little soft bag, but I don't think I can see it as clearly as I would like. So I'm not going to focus on that one right now. Okay, that is a scallop.